Hello everybody, time for another quick unboxing video. This time a Matchbox car, the Subaru BRAT. Let's zoom in. 1978 Subaru BRAT 4x4. Let me see. Oops. That's the back. I'm not going to keep the box, I'll just tear right in. There's the top view, I'll zoom in a bit. Front, oh, there's not much detail in the front. I wish there was a bit more detail. Let's go with the side. Thought I said Bart for a second. Rat. That's as close as I'll go to get it. Let's look at the back. Got the seats back there. Tailgate. Other side. Oh, those are mud guards. That's kind of cool. Didn't notice that. Read the bottom there. 1978 Subaru BRAT, 2020 Mattel. Alright, let's look at the hood. I'll see if I can zoom in as best I can. Just the light. As best I could get it. There's a detail there. What is this? Let me take a closer look. I can't read it. Oh, actually it doesn't say anything. Kinda thought it did. Let's see if I can get that light bent down a little bit more. There it is. Forgot what kind of engine it had, but it got the spare tire in the front too. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Alright. Oh, let me see. I feel like I'm missing something. I'm not sure if we could see the interior. I've got some crazy tint on this, on the front. There is an interior, I just can't get the light in there, so... Sorry guys, can't get to that detail. 4x4. There we go. Wheels. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and tune in again for more unboxing videos.